Are you ready to take control of your emails and move everything from one Gmail account to another? Whether you're switching to a new account or just want all your messages in one place, I'm going to show you the fastest, easiest way to do it. By the end of this video, all your emails will be neatly organized in your new Gmail account. First, log into the Gmail account where you want all your emails to appear. This will be your destination account. Open your web browser, head over to Gmail, and sign in as usual. Once you're in your inbox, look to the top right corner and click on the little gear icon. This is your shortcut to Gmail settings. From the menu that appears, select See All Settings. Next, navigate to the Accounts and Import tab at the top of the settings page. This is where Gmail lets you manage multiple accounts and merge emails. In this section, find Import Mail and Contacts and click on it. A new window will pop up asking for the email address of the account you want to import from. This is your source account. Enter the address and follow the on-screen prompts. You'll need to log into the source Gmail account and give Gmail permission to access the emails. Don't worry, it's completely secure and guided step by step. Once permissions are granted, return to the main window and hit Start Import. And that's it. Gmail will begin transferring all your emails in the background. Depending on how many messages you have, this could take anywhere from a few minutes to a couple of days, but you can continue using your email normally while the process runs. When it's finished, you'll see all your emails from the old account neatly integrated into your new one. This gives you a unified inbox, making it easier than ever to manage your messages. Transferring emails doesn't have to be complicated. With just a few clicks, you can bring everything into one place and enjoy a more organized Gmail experience. Try it out and see how smooth it is.